Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Mama Amsyah bin Muhammad Darul Naim, Wakil Kru TV BSS Semarang. Hari ini, sekolah kami mengadakan sambutan Hari Sukan Negara LIS 5000 Glory Walk peringkat sekolah kami. Sambutan ini bertujuan menggalakkan rakyat mengamalkan gaya hidup sihat melalui aktiviti sukan dan kecergasan. Jom sama-sama kita saksikan. Jom.
Sit in the back of the classroom, hoping that nobody would see echoes in the empty hallways. Was there ever a place there for me? I traced the lines on an old paperback, dreaming stories I was too scared to write, living my life in the monochrome, too afraid to step into the light. But then a voice cut through the static, said, hey, what you waiting for? We painted stars on my bedroom ceiling and kicked the dust from this old floor. Now we're burning, burning brighter than the sun. Yeah, we're running, running just for the fun. Every color is bleeding through, finally feeling brand new. This is our time, we're breaking out, nothing we can't do. We're burning, burning brighter than the sun. Remember hiding out on the fire escape, talking about all that we become, promises we made under cityscapes, beating like a revolutionary drum. You saw the spark I tried to bury deep, pull it out and fan the flame. Now the quiet girl that I used to be has someone screaming out her name, and now my voice is cutting through the static, screaming, hey, I'm not waiting anymore. We're painting over the faded memories and kicking down the same old door. 'Cause we're burning, burning brighter than the sun. Yeah, we're running, running just for the fun. Every color is bleeding through, find that feeling brand new. This is our time, we're breaking out, nothing we can't do. We're burning, burning brighter than the sun. This is for the ones who feel invisible, for every dream that feels impossible. You don't have to hide, you don't have to run, the world is waiting for the lie you've overcome. Oh, we're burning, burning brighter than the sun. Yeah, we're running, running just for the fun. Every color is bleeding through, find a feeling brand new. This is our time, we're breaking out, nothing we can't do. We're burning, burning brighter than the sun. So bright, so bright, so bright, brighter than the sun. So bright, so bright. Yeah, we're burning brighter. The story has just begun.
Alhamdulillah, syukur kehadrat ilahi kerana dengan limpah kurnianya kita dapat berhimpun pada hari yang penuh bermakna ini, sempena sambutan Hari Sukan Negara. Hari Sukan Negara disambut pada bulan Oktober setiap tahun bagi membudayakan gaya hidup sihat dan aktif dalam kalangan rakyat Malaysia. Sambutan ini juga bertujuan untuk menyatukan kita semua melalui aktiviti sukan tanpa mengira usia, kaum maupun latar belakang. Kita bukan sahaja dapat meningkatkan tahap kecergasan tubuh badan, malah dapat memupuk nilai-nilai mulia seperti semangat kerjasama, disiplin dan perpaduan.
Ingatlah, badan cergas minda cerdas. Apabila badan sihat, barulah kita dapat belajar dan bekerja dengan lebih cemerlang. Marilah kita menjadi Hari Sukan Negara ini sebagai titik permulaan untuk mengamalkan aktiviti fizikal dalam kehidupan seharian. Tidak perlu tunggu acara rasmi, berjalan kaki, bersikal, bersenam ringan atau bermain bola sepak pun sudah cukup untuk memastikan tubuh kekal sihat. Akhir kata, saya menyeru semua agar terus menyokong dan menyertai program-program sukan yang dianjurkan. Semoga semangat kesukanan yang kita pupuk hari ini akan kekal mekar sepanjang masa. Sekian, terima kasih dan selamat bersukan. Bye! Jumpa lagi!